Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, the world away. We now got part 30 of Hachette Partworks built to Spitfire Mk1a. Now, just like we did in stage 28, we're doing the other side of the landing gear, just the housing for it now as well. Let me just show you what we're going to do. As you see, it's all colour coded to the bottom of the wing on this side, as you can see the colour there. I'm not painting these bits here, so obviously this section, as you can see there, will be going on here, and it will be the colour that that whole side of the wing is going to be. In the last stage, as you can see, I did do the wheel. That's looking like that, and that's ready to go into this. So they're all the parts, and they're sort of like a greeny, I mean, I'm colourblind, like a creamy greeny colour, I'm guessing. Anyway, so mirrored exactly like last time. We're going to make a hinge joint there. We're going to be putting this all together into the wing and then putting the wheel into place. So basically, we'll have two wheels all ready to go. So the actual whole wing is looking just like that. Quite a few instructions in there, actually. A bit more than I thought there'd be. Looking at what we got next week. Wow, look at this. We've got the outer panel for the underside of the wing and a hatch cover as well. Well, that looks absolutely brilliant. I'm just going to show you that on the close-up, actually. I haven't got that yet. Hopefully, that should be coming next week. So we can build that. I know you subscribers have already got it. You're shouting at the screen saying, we've already got it, Wayne, because you've been telling me about it. Telling me about a cardboard stand that we got coming as well. So that's going to be pretty interesting. But without further ado, let's get cracking. So like last time, we just need to take these two landing gear fixtures here, and we've also got a little tiny pack here with a spring in it and a tiny pin, which we don't want to lose. So I'm going to keep that there, and basically on the close-up camera this is going to go in this way just like that, and we're going to be putting the pin in. Now the pin's going to be going in from this side here. And as you can see, the pin's got a smooth side and a rough side. The rough side goes in last because that's what's going to hold it into place. So the way I do this, as you can see, it's pretty fiddly actually. I line it up where we want that to be, just like that. I put the pin in and make sure it goes all the way through. When I know that we've got it, it's not through there. When I know that I've got it through, just like that, I use my duckbill pliers here and just push that pin all the way like that. So then the pin is flush on that side. It's not going anywhere. That looks like a little bit of a seesaw really. Then like last time, we're going to take the landing gear fixture. We've got two parts to put into this. We've got this red detail here, and just like I mentioned last time, this is actually symmetrical. It doesn't really matter what way around we put this in. I keep looking at it and I'm sure there is a difference, but I can't see one. So that's just going to go in there just like that. And then we've got the spring which goes into this housing here just like that. Then quite simply, all we're going to do is we're going to take the fork section or the hook section of this, put it underneath that red detail, and then that's going to be screwed into there. So the spring is now able to retract this backwards and forwards. Now the screw that we put in there does come in this pack. They're all here, and it's just a 2x 4mm screw. So put that in that hole there. Make sure it's sitting flush in the little area that goes there. Nice and tight, not too tight with plastic. So obviously now this controls itself, springs back. If you look underneath, you can see that comes up, no problems at all. Now the fun bit, we take the wing that we had last time. I'm just going to turn it upside down here. I wonder if I should just put some masking tape in there to keep that down for now. Don't know, I'll have to think about that. So we're going to put the wheel in. So once again, the actual tyre or the wheel face here faces towards the edge of the wing. So that's going to go in this way just like that. Now if you have a look there, the spring is lying flat on there. So that's going to add some resistance to it. And then we're going to be holding that all into place by putting this over the top and pinning that down. So when that's over the top, looks just like that. Once again, we're going to secure this down with the rest of the screws here. Takes 3 screws. I'll put the one in the end here first. Goes into this hole, not the one next to it. Here's the second one. Put that one at the back here. And last but not least, one more screw That's just going to go into this side over here. Get nice and tight. And what we want to do is just make sure again that we've got some spring in that. See, it wants to hold out there. The springs are keeping that in, no problems at all. So all we got left to do now is to put the guard on like this. I'm just going to drop some glue into these holes here. Now, the consensus is that some Spitfires had a different angle on this edge here, and the older ones had different angles. So I suppose do what you want to do. I mean, they're all banged together anyway with spare parts and God knows what else, but I'm leaving them the way they are. I like the way they look, so I'm going to put them on like that. So we'll put this one in as well. Line up the middle hole first, then the back one, and then push that into place. And there you go. When they're in, they look like that. If I turn it upside down so that these hang out, we're looking like that and that. Pretty impressive, huh? I love how that looks, and I love how I've painted this silver. I do think that's better than just having it all the same colour. It adds a little bit more interest to those parts. But that's all there is to do in that stage. So I think I'm going to just store it upside down just like that for now. I'll just show you on the side camera. I do understand, as I said, we are getting a jig to put that in. It's going to keep that safe, and it's going to stop the wings bending up. But that is all there is to do in that stage. So you'll have to let me know what you think of that wing angle here. I like it. I'll be honest with you, I like it. I know some people think it should be a little bit more like that way. I don't. I like it the way it is. Can't wait to see the motor attached to these. So these will go up and down. These, I don't think, ever touch the floor, just so you know. Because the way it is, when it's on the actual stand, it's going to be on sort of like posts, which are going to keep it flying so that the wheels can go up and down as they need to. But there we go. That's all there is to do in that video. Tonight we've got a live stream for Patreons only, and tomorrow, not sure what we're going to do yet, but I may be doing a Terminator. I don't know. We'll see. But tomorrow night we do have a live stream for the whole general community. It's my general Thursday night chat, so I hope you can join me for that. I really do hope you like that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.